Go, 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 go. Whew, another chill day in Florida, guys. Anyways, what is going on, bros? Today's video is gonna be really cool, but I'm gonna limit myself. And in case you bros don't really know what I mean by that, you see this little GoPro right here? This is all we're gonna be using today, for the most part. So with all that said and done, how are you bros doing today? So let's go ahead and mount the GoPro and enjoy the GoPro vlog. That is so loud. Cool stuff for you bros. The reason why I'm making this just straight up POV videos because I know a lot of you guys like it, and I have gotten a lot of comments of you guys requesting me to do it. So on the comments below, if you guys want me to do this type of video, just POV video, maybe going like on like little adventures like once or twice a week, well, it'll probably just be just once a week. Let me know in the comments below. That sounds like a pretty fun video idea if you ask me. Bro, who wants to race? Who wants to race? I wish it was turboed! Guys, you have no idea the pain. I've driven a supercharged 370 and a twin turbo 370, and then I just getting mine like NA bone stock, and it's just like doesn't have any power. Does sound pretty amazing though. Trying to figure out what we can talk about because I have no idea what to talk about, but there's a couple things. One, we can talk about the 2020 Supra. I'm not gonna make a whole video on that because I don't really have big opinions on it, but honestly, in my opinion, the rear end is the best looking part. Like the rear quarter panel, the rear end. The front of the car is just very, I don't know how to explain it. It looks like a little toy. It's like a little cute toy. The whole car looks like a little cute toy. Honestly, in my opinion, they should have made it a lot wider. Well, not a lot wider, just a little bit wider. For me, it looks aggressive, but it's like really compact and like a little, I don't know how to explain it, but you guys probably know what I mean. And yeah, a lot of people are saying that the aftermarket, it's gonna be amazing for that car, and with new body kits, it's gonna look insane. But guys, not everybody that has the money to be able to buy a body kit for the car that costs what, 50 something thousand, and they said there was gonna be like a $25,000 price up. I mean, not price up, like price, I don't know how to say it. Like it's gonna be like $20,000 or $25,000 above what it normally costs, the MSRP. So that's pretty insane. And then having to buy a body kit so it looks decent. But I'm talking about how it looks from pictures and videos. I have not seen the car in person, so I can't really say much about it because a lot of cars in video and everything, they look okay, but then you see them in person and they look insane. So maybe the Supra's like that, I don't really know. But so far the front end, it's kind of wacky. They should have definitely put as much effort in the front end as they did the back end. sound that this car makes when you downshift, guys. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It's so good. Struggles of driving as you guys. You gotta like you gotta kiss the windshield to be able to go to another lane. Right now I'm going to a grocery store. I'm about to show you guys a struggle of buying groceries on a Z. I don't think you guys are ready for this. Yeah, so we found our first victim. Over here we got a 911 Turbo. No, he's leaving now. No, he's going that way, damn it. What can I say, guys? I mean, every time somebody sees a Z, they get scared of it, honestly. Like, everybody's scared of the Z. Let's park as far away as possible. There we go. Boys, we made it. The store's right over there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but let's go ahead and get started. Put the e-brake up, turn off the car, grab my phone. Alright, let's go ahead and you guys are gonna see the struggle.
One eternity later.
Wish me luck, boys. You gotta fit all this into this. Can't believe we actually just pulled it off. So you guys really want to see what this looks like? Here we got groceries. And back there we got more groceries. Man, honestly, I'm glad I made that video of why the 370Z isn't a good daily. I really am, because actually it's manageable, guys. It's manageable. But part 2 of that video is coming really soon. But I'm breaking my part of the deal today, so let's go back to the GoPro. Alright, so let's safely get out of here, because when I was pulling in, I think I cut it out of the video, but some guy almost backed up into me, so. This is it right here, bros. This is what daily driving a 370Z looks like. Oh God, no, no, no. Yo, this tire's grip so good, guys. Whee! Yo, look at this Ferrari, guys. He's probably like this stupid little kid in the 370. Honestly, guys, Florida is so bipolar. I put on this jacket because in the morning it was cold, right? It was like 50 something. It's cold for us, right? But now it's like I'm sweating so bad right now, and I don't even wear jackets. I hate wearing jackets. I like wearing short shirts and tank tops. And the one day that I decide to wear a jacket, this happens. Like, come on, bro, what the heck? Woo. That's so loud. Oh. Alright, we're gonna go in with the Ferrari. Alright guys, so you know, we're just out here. We just made a new friend. Does this when they're neutral. We're gonna go after this minivan. We're gonna gun it. Let's go, 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 go. bad, guys. I really redlined first gear way too much. That was not good. That was really bad shifting by me. In the middle of me talking, my GoPro died. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but my slave cylinder is screaming right now, guys. And I was trying to park backwards in a parking spot, and it went like it's really bad. Damn, that sucks. And just like that, guys, we're finally home. And it is so hot. I was trying not to use the AC so the gas, you know, save on gas. But I'm so hot, I really gotta change my shirt, honestly. So yeah, let's go ahead and take off this jacket, guys, because I honestly can't. Whew, that's much better. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it's been quite some time since the last clip you saw. I actually went home, ate, slept for like 30 minutes, I think, and now I'm back outside. But I really want to do something. I actually don't remember the last time I did an oil change on Brittany. I do have kind of an idea. Let's go ahead and go back to the GoPro, and I'm gonna check the oil change real quick because I have been driving this car a lot. All right, we're in the plain area. So I do have an idea the last time I did an oil change, but I'm not 100% sure. And I have been driving her way more than I really wish I did. So let's just go ahead and be sure. Yeah, she's good. Yeah, that's good. Let me go ahead and do that though. So you guys can see right there. It's looking pretty good. It's right on high. So that's perfect. Not over, not even below. So we're definitely not leaking oil, thankfully. Let's go ahead and do that again. Yeah, it's pretty dark. I mean, we're a little bit below, but this car's burned oil. I think that's perfect for, yeah, it's perfect. It is pretty dark though, so I have to go ahead and do an oil change very soon, which sucks, but oh well. Ooh, there she is looking all pretty and stuff. I also gotta really give her a wash because the last time I washed her really good, but I put her back there at the house. And when I came back, guys, look at this. Look how dirty. I don't know why when you park it on grass or just like places where it's like it's not in the open, it's like really bad. Look how dirty she is, especially back here. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, that's so bad. Yeah, we're done. So with that said, if you bros enjoyed this video of just doing the GoPro and you just enjoyed the feeling of it being POV and not really using a lot of this camera, make sure you bros leave a big thumbs up in the video. Forgot something in the car, but yeah, bros, go ahead and share the channel with your friends, share it with everybody, and let's keep growing. We're growing really quick actually, so keep sharing, keep doing good stuff, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.